Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm really sorry for not uploading in 3 days, guys. I was supposed to upload yesterday, but I had some problems that came up with Shopify store and stuff. So my partner told me that there's an app what is functioning and the coding wasn't right, so he put the wrong code something, and it was coming like in some liquid error in the website. So I tried to fix that. I didn't want to pay anyone to follow, so I tried to learn it myself and do it. So for this past couple of days, I've been just doing some research, doing some research, studying more about Facebook ads, and then grinding on Instagram for this new dropshipping store that I'm doing, which is in a gym niche. So I made this like Instagram so kind of like very like branded. I made like Instagram highlights in Canva, and I put it. I found some great content for this. Like I found massive content for this gym brand that I'm doing. Like I have a lot of content. I can put like 3 to 4 posts every day and not run out of the content. And the videos, I have everything. So I've been organizing that, guys. And the other thing is, I made a company like for my last store, which name was Eon Comfort. I haven't got the name yet because I called them yesterday. I was like, yeah, I did this 1 month ago. Where is it? They were, yeah, the documents will arrive like in next week or something. So it's already gotten like more than 33 days or something like that. So I have to wait for that and to get my business manager verified so I can start with Facebook ads because I don't want to risk anything. I don't want to get myself banned. So yeah, it's okay. It takes time. It's all I have to do is like be patient and just not hop into the Facebook and just start, doing advertisement and getting blocked. That's a little bit worse. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna give you a tip that like you don't need to change your business man. You don't need to change the like name of the company each time you change your store. And down below, down below where it says powered by Shopify, like you can put your website name, like say whatever the website is, Nike, and you can say like by like Ramtin's company LLC or LTD. So it says that Nike is owned by this company, which is the name of your company. So you can put this down below in your website. So Facebook, when human from Facebook come and review it, they see it. So they gonna get your business manager verified. Because the name not isn't the same, but you mention that this company is owned by this one, and this name is in the Facebook manager name, so that's everything gonna be fine, guys. So do that. You're gonna like in Sweden, you should pay like around $100 or more, $120 each time you will change a company's name. So that's kind of relief. Another thing is, guys, I one of my friends recommended me this site for making like if you don't have ideas for a brand name and the logo, you just tell the site which niche you are in or which name you want to be. The site generates like around 100 500 600 logos with different colors, different styles, and different names. You can choose what kind of like short name, long name. The site give it to you. I'm gonna leave that site in the description down below, guys, so you can use it. And yeah, guys, it's probably it. Nothing much. So I've been just doing like too much research in Shopify Exchange or Flippa.com. That's a site that the Shopify store owners or WooCommerce or whatever it is, they put their website there for selling it. And yeah, I put it like to a high to low price. Just like all these stores, there was one guy that put his store for $2 million and had got like 5 million in revenue, and it was like he said he claimed that he was getting around $20,000 net profit each month. So I went to his store and I used the Chrome extension called Koala Inspector. With the help of this Chrome extension, you can see what team he's using, what apps they're using, and everything. So you can get like some insights, like what are they doing. So maybe you can copy it. That's kind of nice. So you can use it as well. But the other thing is that you can go to Google and search like top 10 Shopify stores, and you go to the website that you see all the Shopify stores that have been successful. Like Fashion Nova is one of them, Gymshark is one of them, and then you can narrow it down by niches, guys. So if you want to start a niche, you can go to that website, and you can put the niche there and you can narrow it down. You can see which one is the first site, which is the second site, which is the third site. Then you can go and check like what the other sites in the best niche did. You can do the same thing, and you can use it under another Chrome extension called what is it called, guys? I forgot the name. Commerce Inspector, yes. And with that you can see like where are the most traffics are coming from and which product is a winning product for them. But it's a paid tool, and I'm not affiliated or anything, nobody knows me, so you can use that as well. I'm gonna put all that in the description below, so it's easy to organize and you guys can find it, so like this you can do your research, and the obvious thing is like put the product name in, I don't know, like Google Trends or something like that, guys. So yeah, guys, that's probably it, and I will see you tomorrow.